Violating Laws of Nature, by Renee. Death Culture. The current 3D timeline, in which humans have existed on the Earth over the last 100 years, has been socially engineered through technological mind control, violent entertainment and predictive programming in the media, to promote a death culture. Social engineering is a type of mind control that seeks to manipulate people from their own right to privacy, by controlling the way they access information, controlling what it means to be knowledgeable and self-informed, so the fabricated social structure can exploit them with misinformation, making it easier to control their behaviors. Thus, today, many people are unable to identify and recognize the clear signs of death culture programming, as a result of the controller anti-soul agendas, because it has been interwoven into many of the day-to-day structures that make up the fabric of society. Why do the controller structures promote and financially reward all organizations and media that promote death culture programming into our world? Death culture produces the myopic mental polarization of attention upon purely physical sensations and material pursuits. It does not look deeper towards taking any responsibility. There is no accountability, moral or ethical consideration towards the consequences of actions that are directly related to increasing world pain and human suffering. Instead, the mainstream death culture programming thrives in producing, marketing and exploiting human suffering, pain and trauma, therefore, spreading the destructive lifestyles that lead to mass killing, disease and slavery. If we cannot identify or recognize how the death culture programming has generated great harm to impact our personal lives, children, families, communities, businesses and nations, we will not understand what we must change inside ourselves in order to heal our society.